That one yes led us to this. Way back December 2023, may nag-inquire sa amin asking if we could make a 30 by 21 by 10 inch flip-top craft box. Sabi niya, ilalagay daw niya yung wedding gown niya sa loob. Honestly, super hesitant akong tanggapin yung order na yon. Kasi first time namin gagawa ng ganong kalaking box. At that time, hindi pa rin namin masyadong na-explore yung iba't ibang thickness ng cardboard na ginagamit namin. But we still said yes. After posting it, hindi namin in-expect na brides and bridal ateliers would start reaching out to us asking for the exact same box. So together with our partner locals, we kept improving it. Kinapalan namin yung box, inadjust namin yung thickness ng flap, tapos eventually, nag-transition kami sa rugby type na pagdikit ng cover paper para mas smooth at mas premium yung finish. Fast forward to today, that one custom request has become one of our on-hand products. And we've had the privilege of creating gown boxes for so many brides and bridal ateliers. Ang galing, no? Minsan, kailangan lang talagang lumabas sa comfort zone natin and just say yes sa opportunities na binibigay ng universe. Hindi namin alam